Want to crack front-end interviews faster? Then you must know these important CSS interview questions. Today we'll learn common CSS interview, questions, simple explanations, real-world concepts, beginner-friendly answers. Let's get started. Question 1. What is CSS? CSS stands for a cascading style sheets. CSS is used to style HTML elements. HTML creates the structure of a web page, but CSS makes it beautiful. Using CSS, we can add colors, fonts, layouts, animations, responsive design. Without CSS, websites look plain. Question 2. What is the difference between ID and class? ID is unique for one element, but class can be reused on multiple elements. Example, a single login form may use one unique ID. Multiple buttons can share the same class. Question 3. What is the CSS Box Model? The CSS Box Model explains spacing and layout in CSS. Every element has content, padding, border, margin. This structure controls element size and spacing. Question 4. What is the difference between margin and padding? Padding creates space inside the element. Margin creates space outside the element. Padding adds internal spacing. Margin separates elements from each other. Question 5. What is Flexbox? Flexbox is a CSS layout system used to align elements easily. Using Flexbox, we can center elements, create responsive layouts, align items horizontally and vertically. Modern websites use Flexbox everywhere. Question 6. What is responsive design? Responsive design makes websites work on all devices. This includes phones, laptops, tablets. Responsive websites automatically adjust layouts based on screen size. Question 7. What are media queries? Media queries apply CSS styles based on screen size. They help create responsive layouts. Example, different styles for mobile and desktop devices. Modern websites use media queries everywhere. Question 8. What is the difference between relative, absolute, and fixed positioning? Relative positions relative to itself. Absolute positions relative to its parent. Fixed stays fixed on the screen even while scrolling. These are used in navigation bars, pop-ups, layout design. Question 9. What is z-index? Z-index controls which element appears on top. Higher z-index values appear above lower values, used in modals, drop-downs, navigation menus. Question 10. What is the difference between inline-block and inline-block? Inline, elements stay on the same line. Block, elements take full width. Inline-block, elements stay in line but allow width and height. Question 10. What are pseudo classes? Pseudo classes style elements based on their state. Examples: hover, focus, active, first child. They make websites interactive. Question 12. What is transition in CSS? Transition creates smooth animations between property changes. Without transitions, animations look rough. Transitions make UI feel modern and smooth. Question 13. What is CSS Grid? CSS Grid is a powerful layout system for creating rows and columns. Grid is used for dashboards, complex layouts, responsive websites. It gives better control over page structure. Question 14. What are CSS variables? CSS variables store reusable values. Examples: colors, spacing, font sizes. This makes code cleaner, easier to maintain, perfect for dark mode. Question 15. What is the difference between max width and min width? Max width applies styles below a screen size. Min width applies styles above a screen size. These are heavily used in responsive design. Today we learned CSS Basics, layout systems, responsive design, Flexbox, grid, positioning, animations, media queries, variables, pseudo classes. These are some of the most important CSS interview concepts. Front-end interviews become much easier when your CSS fundamentals are strong Keep practicing, keep building, and your front-end skills will improve fast. Follow for more front-end development tutorials. Let's learn one front-end concept every single day. If this video is helpful, like, share, and subscribe more useful coding tips.